Take a walk with me, spend a day with Joseph. Slip on my shoes, sit back and start coasting. Not much going on, but there's always a laugh. Every day's a different day, I never know what's on the path. Walk with me, spend a day with Joseph. Slip on my shoes, sit back and start coasting. Not much going on, but there's always...
I bought this mountain bike on Marketplace for $2,000, and I'm gonna see today if I can go jump it. I seem to have stumbled onto a birthday party. Here's the birthday boy. Say what up.
What's up?
We're out here ripping, so I'll follow you. I won't be close, don't worry. Heck yeah. So I stepped on to this pump track here in Paulsville, Washington, and it's pretty nice. There's a cool dirt line, dirt jumps. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Huh? Yeah, I'm just talking to the camera. Is this spot? The only real fun spot here are the jumps, and they're all right. They're ran down. Appreciate it. It's awkward. I don't think I'm clearing it. No, that was a good run too. I had probably as much. I probably had as much speed as I had all day. Yeah, I just don't think it's clearable. I want to get a van just like this. This exact van would be sick.
Yeah.
Because then I can go to all these events, have my bikes in the back, you know, have a cot in there.
Yeah, you can sleep in there.
Exactly.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Alice. Happy birthday to you.
Mamma mia, che seria! Mamma mia, pizza mayo!
That's what you're gonna be. Down.
Titan, come here.
Put down.
Titan, come here.
Here it is.
Maybe I'm just being a pussy, but
It's all good. You'll get more comfortable with your bike.
that is true. This is my first time ever riding it.
Is it?
Yeah.
You're doing fine. Keep riding it. Don't touch yourself. You'll get used to it.
Oh, I got that. Yeah,
You went probably halfway down that landing before
That's-
you touched the ground.
that's what I saw too.
I thought you were hitting flat. You're good, dude.
That was, wow. Yeah, that was, I thought that kicker would kick me more.
A little bit, but you kind of nerfed yourself to make
Yeah.
sure you get booted up there, but
Yeah.
you're fine.
I'm gonna whip it. All right. Oh, that was awful. Thank you. That's good enough. Didn't film an outro. On toilet. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next.